So you've decided. Working in Japan might be actually for you. But now you're probably wondering, where do I even start? Don't worry, in this episode, we will walk you through what kinds of jobs are available, what visa types exist, and what you should prepare before applying. Let's start with the most important question. What kind of job are you looking for? Japan offers many options, and choosing the right path depends on your background, language skills, and goals. Here are some of the most common and in-demand jobs for foreigners in Japan today. Driver jobs, one of the most in demand right now, especially for bus and delivery work. Care work, supporting elderly residents. Factory or manufacturing, can be food processing, electronics, or automotive. Food service, restaurants, fast food, kitchen staff. Hospitality, hotels, housekeeping, front desk, or restaurant hall staff. Engineering or IT, such as programmers, designers, tech staff. Office and language-based roles like translation, interpretation, or global sales. Each of these fields might lead to a different visa path, which brings us to the next step. To legally work in Japan, you need a visa. The two most common options are SSW and EHI. Let's break them down. First, SSW, Specified Skilled Worker. This visa is for 16 industries that Japan has officially opened to foreign workers, including care work, food service, building cleaning, factory work, and yes, driver jobs too. To qualify, you'll need to pass a skills test and a basic Japanese test. Usually, JLPT N4 or JFT Basic. It's a great entry point and many employers offer support even if you're applying for overseas. Still confused about Japanese level? Don't worry, we got you covered. Take a look of this explanation of Japanese language level. It starts from N5 through N1. The next one is EHI, Engineer, Humanities, International Services visa. This visa is for more skilled or white-collar jobs like IT and engineering, design, business and planning, translation or interpreting. You usually need a university degree or relevant work experience. EHI visas are more flexible and long-term, but they can be more competitive. Alright, by now, you already have a basic idea of what kind of job you're aiming for and which visa path you'll take. Now, let's talk about what you'll need to prepare to actually apply. And the first thing isn't paperwork, it's your why. Before anything else, take time to think about why you want to work in Japan. Employers will ask you this. It is also the thing you'll have to write in your Rirekisho or your Japanese resume. Whether it's about culture, stability, challenge, or a long-term goal, knowing your why will help shape your entire application. Next, build your Japanese skills. Even a little makes a big difference. You don't need to be fluent right now, but without basic Japanese, things like job interviews, contracts, and daily life will be much harder. After getting your Japanese skill ready, then start collecting your documents. It can be your diploma or your graduation certificate, or if you aim for SSW visa, then you also need to take exam for which industry you're interested in, like caregiver license or other tests. Also, if you aim to be a driver in Japan, then you also need driver license. And of course, your national ID or passport. Some industries might need more, depending on the role. Once you've got your motivation and basic Japanese in place, then it's time to start building your Rirekisho, or a Japanese-style resume. It follows a specific format from your photo to the way you write your name matters. Don't worry, we'll teach you how to write one in the next episode. Preparing to work in Japan isn't something you finish in a day, but the more intentional you are about each step, the more confident you'll feel when it's time to actually apply. So, before we wrap up, here's something important to ask yourself again. Do you already know what kind of job do you want in Japan? Or are you simply excited to start a new chapter, even if it's a completely different field from what you're doing now? If you've already decided on your dream job, amazing! Start preparing right now in your home country. Study the language, get the right certificate, build your skills, so when the opportunity comes, you're ready to grab it. But if you're the kind of person who just wants to get to Japan first, that's okay too. Sometimes the best way to figure out what you want is by starting somewhere. Take the job that gives you a visa, go to Japan, and build a life there step by step. You can explore new opportunities once you're in. Many people switch fields after arriving, and that's totally normal. Whether you're aiming with a clear target or figuring it out along the way, what matters is that you start and do your best wherever you are. In Japan, what you did before doesn't always decide what you'll do next. If the job fits the visa and you meet the requirements, you can go for it. What matters is your willingness to show up, adapt, and grow. In the next video, we will learn on how to find real job openings and avoid scams along the way. Got questions or need some career guidance? We'd love to hear from you. Pop your thoughts in the comment section below or connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You will find all the links in the description. We're here with you on your Japan journey. See you on the next video!